we, Nick?
Ote.
Ote.
So, good question. Yeah, because.
Hi. After 2 months of not doing any vlogging,
Oh yeah.
we are going
What's
to
up with
die,
that?
Nick. Nick, we're gonna die.
We are
Look at
walking
this
down a
terrain.
very steep, not hill, to
I'm gonna die.
a beach in an undisclosed location on an undisclosed date at an undisclosed time, possibly during the day. Possibly, but you never know. We could be in a staged. We could be in a
bridge.
We could be in a Truman Show-esque situation where this is actually just a part of everything. Also,
look how beautiful we are.
wow, look at.
Not beautiful we are, but look how beautiful nature is right now.
Let's take this in a second to Witch kiss. Nobody had to see that.
If you drop my phone.
It's our tradition. Oh, uh-oh, accidentally. No. Okay, so I drove up here to take this girl back home for spring vacation since we have different synchronized times, so we do this every year. So now we're walking up a hill to go to the beach, and I'm sure this is getting very boring because I've already said that we were going down a hill, now we're going up a hill, and I suck at holding the camera. And there's bugs and screaming, pandemonium,
where the trail goes to, so.
Disease, death, and ocean.
Do we go this way?
And narwhals. And Kuko is this one. Mine. That's weird. Woo! Ugh, new trip. What? I got new shoes.
Wait, I don't know where to go.
After my other ones broke and they suck too. They're $12.
You go this way?
Sure, why not?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
How do we get down there?
That way.
I know.
I see people.
I see people too.
This is precarious.
I don't think this is the way.
I think we're gonna make our own way. Because we're ambitious, young, and free.
Wild.
We do whatever we want.
Anytime.
Just kidding. We're almost 20 years old. And we're not young anymore. We collectively are almost. I am. Okay. Alright. Here we go. We're almost there.
Are you sure?
No. This looks like a stopping point. But I see people and beach, and all of this is going to be edited out.
What?
All of this just walking. Hey, look, that strap.
Okay, I'm good.
We're good.
We're good?
This is a interactive, like walk along,
Showing us.
hike along with us trip.
I'm struggling because I'm wearing flip-flops.
Yeah, she is wearing flip-flops. And I am holding the camera upside down. Oh my god. That's good. Okay, bye.